Rob Moreno here with Sentry Equipment, and this month's 3-minute tip is about everybody's most exciting topic, replacing your ice cream machine parts. So let's get started. So as you can see here, I've taken one of our most popular models was our Just 5099. I've taken all the parts out, and this is everything, mechanical parts, O-rings, everything. So you can see, it looks like a lot, but it's really not, all right? First of all, not all of these parts need to be replaced. Your dashers, your stainless parts, head, your door, no, they don't need to be replaced. What you need to replace regularly are your wearable parts. Your wearable parts are named wearable because they wear, which means we need to replace them regularly. This is your O-ring that sits on the back part of your machine head. This part, want to replace once a year. These O-rings, all interchangeable. These are going to sit on your plunger, okay? Hopefully this plunger is going up and down and up and down. Every time it's going up and down, you're making money. These parts we recommend you're going to replace quarterly or every 2 to 3 months, depending on volume. Same thing with the O-rings on your air relief valves. Okay, you're going to replace them quarterly because again, they're not going up and down as often, but they're very small. They tend to wear. Your shaft seals. Your shaft seals protect product from getting into the back of your machine. They help center your dasher, help your dasher to rotate properly. The shaft cup seal, this is going to replace once a year. Your blades, your machine blades, these are the lifeblood of your machine and your barrel. They scrape the product, they give you yield, they give you overrun, air in the product, help maintain consistency and texture. These you want to replace every year or two, depending on volume. The last part is your mixed transfer hose. Your mixed transfer hose is the lifeblood at the bottom of your machine. These we probably want to replace every month or two, again, depending on volume. When you buy a machine from us, we got to give you a routine maintenance chart. You can actually tape right into the inside of your machine. You could write your last change date. It indicates your change frequency. You can keep track of it. It's a really helpful tool to maintain. So the question is, Rob, why do I have to replace these parts? What's it going to cost me? Well, the reason you have to replace these parts is it helps maintain the operation of your machine. It helps eliminate downtime. It helps maximize yield, product consistency, your texture, what you're giving your customers. If you don't replace these parts regularly, you're going to cause yourself service issues. You're going to cause yourself product issues. So what it costs to replace these parts is absolutely nothing. Because if you don't do it, it's going to cost you money, it's going to cost you customers, it's going to cost you downtime. If I add all these parts up and what I need to pay to replace them in a year, it's probably a few $100. However, if I lose a Friday night because one of my O-rings cracked, because one of my hoses broke, because my blade is not scraping properly, how much money can I lose? So when people ask me what it's going to cost, I said, don't worry about what's going to cost you to replace your wearable parts. Worry about what's going to cost you not to. If you're the kind of operator that wants to maintain product consistency, portion control, make sure that your machines are operating when they need to during your busiest of times, then you want to make sure that you're replacing your wearable parts. At Sentry, we give you some tools. We have QR codes which give you cleaning tips, wearable replacement recommendations you can put right on your machine. We have our routine maintenance chart for our equipment. And then we give you hands-on demonstrations, cleaning demonstrations, teach you how to maintain your machine so your machine can maintain your customers. Well, time's up for this month. See you again next month.